Okay, putting a go-kart sprocket on one of the Harbor Freight wheels without any welding. First you'll have to get some of these coupling nuts. They're threaded on all the way through. And you'll need some bolts. Those are kind of long, but you'll need some bolts and some lock washers. One end will bolt onto the wheel. The other end will bolt onto the sprocket. And I'll show you that put together in a minute. Okay, so then you'll have those coupling nuts bolted to the wheel or the sprocket, whichever you want to do first. I got it on the wheel. And then I just bolt the sprocket on. And then you won't need to do any welding. It's just that simple. Okay, so here it is. The sprocket on the wheel. You can see those spacers in there. I didn't tighten up the bolts, obviously, you can see that. But that's all there is to it.